In this episode, we're going to learn about present-day Virginia and its symbols. So what do these pictures have in common? Well, they're all about Virginia, of course. Virginia is on the East Coast, and it is similar to the shape of a triangle. And the capital of Virginia is Richmond. This is the Virginia flag. The words on the flag are in Latin, and in English, they mean, "Thus always to tyrants." This is the Virginia Capitol Building. It is located in Richmond, the state capital, and laws are made here. The cardinal is the state bird. The male cardinal is all red, and the female cardinal is brown with hints of red. And the dogwood is the state flower and the state tree. There are so many things you can do in Virginia. You can go hiking, pick apples, or even go to the beach. There are many places for us to live in Virginia. Some of us live in the city, some of us live in the suburbs, and some of us live in rural areas. Some of us live in houses, townhomes, or even apartments. There are many ways to get around in Virginia. You can go by car, bus, or even the metro. Now that we've learned about Virginia, let's see if you can answer these questions. What's the name of the capital of Virginia? Richmond or Washington, D.C.? What do you think? You're right. Richmond is our state capital. What is the state bird? The eagle or the cardinal? What do you think? You're right. It's the cardinal. What's the name of the state flower of Virginia? Is it the rose or the dogwood? What do you think? You're right. It's the dogwood. I hope you like this lesson on Virginia. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.